Today we're taking a look at the ContextLogic stock, ticker symbol WISH, in anticipation of the upcoming Monday, June 28, 2021 trading day. Welcome back to Capital Consultant. Let's dive right into it. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to get notified as soon as these videos are released so that you have more time to plan out your trades, as we provide these stock analysis videos on a daily basis after market close. I can guarantee that you'll have all the important information that you'll need on this stock heading into the upcoming trading day after fully watching this video. One more thing before we start. If you would like to up your stock market game, then check out our Patreon in the link down below, as we've went public for a limited amount of time. Now let's get started. I'll start off by analyzing the stock in a general way real quick, and then we'll go deeper into it, focusing on the stock's action in the upcoming trading day afterwards. ContextLogic opened at $14.17 and closed at $14.04 on Friday, June 25, 2021. The lowest price it reached on the last trading day was $13.70, while the highest price it reached the last trading day was $14.69. The 52-week high on this stock is $32.85, while the 52-week low is $7.52. The ContextLogic stock price fell by 2.43% on Friday, June 25, 2021, from $14.39 to $14.04. During the day, the stock fluctuated 7.23% from a day low at $13.70 to a day high of $14.69. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 40.4% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign, as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 28 million shares, and in total, 139 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.96 billion. The stock lies in the upper part of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader, as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $14.31 will indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to fall. This stock may move very much during the day due to its high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. The ContextLogic stock is overbought on RSI and lies in the upper part of the trend. Normally this may pose a good selling opportunity for the short-term trader, but some stocks may still go up despite being overbought. Regardless, the high RSI together with the trend position increases the risk, and higher daily movements due to its volatility should be expected. A correction down in the nearby future seems very likely, and it is of great importance that the stock manages to break the trend before that occurs. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk, as volume should follow the price movements. The ContextLogic stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving it a positive forecast. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The last daily candle as of the last trading day is red, which means that the sellers, or in other words the bears, dominated this session. It was an overall bearish session, with a volume of 141.5 million, which is about 105% lower compared to the average volume that ContextLogic normally has, which is 43.9 million. The stock is trading in the lower range of yearly prices. ContextLogic is trading above its 5, 10, 20, and 50-day exponential moving averages and simple moving averages. It's trading below its 100-day exponential moving average and simple moving average, while it's trading below its 200-day exponential moving average and above its 200-day simple moving average. This is an overall good sign for the stock's short, mid, and long-term trend. Now moving on to the daily technical side of things, this is what we can conduct. The average true range indicator is showing high volatility. The Williams % range indicator is showing overbought. The Relative Strength Index, Rate of Change, Ultimate Oscillator, Stochastic, Commodity Channel Index, MACD, and Average Directional Index indicators are all positive. In total, we have more technical indicators pointing at a positive signal at this current time, which indicate a buy on the stock, but these technical indicators by themselves aren't going to do you much. So let's get into analyzing and predicting the ContextLogic price movement for the upcoming trading day, Monday, June 28, 2021. Do note that if the price of this stock is trading below $14.14, then the possibility of downside is higher, and likewise, if the price of this stock is trading above $14.14, then the possibility of upside is higher. Currently, as of the last trading day's close, this stock's pivot point is at $14.14. It has support at the $13.77, $13.53, $13.15, $11.27, and $10.60 levels, and has resistance at the $14.16, $14.39, $14.76, and $15.13 levels. So I will now lay out a few ContextLogic trades for the upcoming trading day, 2 bullish trades and 2 bearish trades. Feel free to also make other similar trades based on the information I've shared with you in this video so far, if you're feeling a little extra bullish or bearish on this stock. And always remember that when a support is broken, then it becomes resistance. Likewise, when a resistance is broken, then it becomes support. The bullish trade is as follows: if we open in at least 30 minutes after the bell, the stock is still respecting the $13.77 level as support, then in that scenario you might be looking at adding or opening a long trade position as close as possible to that support level of $13.77, while keeping in mind that this would be a short-term trade. Now bulls, if you're looking to trade ContextLogic, then you're obviously looking to take profit during the day, and so my recommendation for taking profit on this first bullish trade would be starting to do so somewhere near the resistance level of $14.16. So our second bullish trade is the following: if the $14.16 resistance level is broken, at least 30 minutes after the bell, and held for a respectable amount of time, having it turn into a support level, which results in a short-term bullish outlook on the stock, then in that scenario you might be looking at taking a long trade position as close to that new $14.16 support level as possible. My recommendation for taking profit on this second bullish trade would be starting to do so at somewhere around the next resistance level of $14.39. I suggest closing your position in small percentage increments as the stock moves on these trades, as opposed to closing it entirely at one go. I personally go for 25% increments. Our bearish trade is as follows: if we open in at least 30 minutes after the bell, the stock is still respecting the $14.16 level as resistance, then in that scenario you might be looking at adding or opening a short trade position as close to that resistance level of $14.16 as possible, while keeping in mind that this would be a short-term trade. Now bears, if you're looking to trade ContextLogic, then you're obviously going to be looking to take profit during the day, and so my recommendation for taking profit on this first bearish trade would be starting to do so somewhere around the $13.77 support level. So our second bearish trade is the following: if the $13.77 support level is broken, at least 30 minutes after the bell, and held for a respectable amount of time, having it turn into a resistance level, which results in a short-term bearish outlook on the stock, then in that scenario you might be looking at taking a short trade position as close to that new $13.77 resistance level as possible. My recommendation for taking profit on this second bearish trade would be starting to do so at somewhere around the next support level of $13.53. I'd also suggest closing your position in small percentage increments on these trades as the stock moves, as opposed to closing it all entirely at one go. And I can't stress this enough, but make sure you start taking some profit near the targets that I've given you on all these trades, to ensure profitability. These are short-term trades with high probability of profit, and so they add up if you do things right. Whether you decide to be bullish or bearish on this stock or both, either way, I wish you the best of luck with your trades. We'd love to hear your opinion on this specific analysis, whether you agree or disagree with it, so leave a comment down below and do let us know. And if you have any specific stocks you'd like analyzed, Then leave a comment down below with the stock you'd like analyzed, leave a like on this video, and we'll get to it as soon as we possibly can. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with these stock analysis videos.